Welcome to this video overview of our training package. We'll give you a quick but comprehensive look at the topics covered using a selection of slides from the PowerPoint deck. Each instant download package includes a detailed trainer guide, comprehensive student workbook, engaging PowerPoint slides, exercise sheets, and a fun Jeopardy-style review game to wrap up your training on a high note. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Building High-Performing Teams Training Program Overview. This video offers a concise insight into the key components of this one-day instant download training material program, designed to help trainers confidently teach the most essential skills to build better, more cohesive teams. Get ready to deliver impactful training with ease. Training objectives include understanding team advantages, listing characteristics, identifying ideal team member traits, and explaining high-performing team member qualities. Module 1. Introduction to Teamwork. Key points include defining a team, understanding company needs for teams, aligning directions, and setting common goals. Activity. Balloons and pins. Please follow the trainer's instructions for this interactive exercise designed to enhance teamwork skills. Defining a team. A team is a group of people mutually dependent on each other to achieve a common goal. Collaboration is key. Module 2. Characteristics of high-performing teams. Focus on communication, trust, and cooperative relationships through activities like the Kelly Affair. Characteristics of high-performing teams include clear goals, defined roles, open communication, effective decision-making, and balanced participation. Clear goals. Essential for team success. Everyone must understand the team's purpose, mission, and vision to perform effectively. Activity. The Kelly Affair. Follow the trainer's instructions, read clues carefully, and solve the mystery to enhance team communication. Activity. Team Role Self-Assessment. Use Dr. Meredith Belbin's Team Role Profiler to identify your role within the team. Module 3. High-performing team members. Explore team roles, characteristics, and activities to identify the perfect team member. Belbin's 9 team roles. Understand roles like innovator, specialist, and team facilitator to optimize team dynamics. Activity. Attitude, skills, and knowledge. Use Post-its to explore these elements. Follow the trainer's instructions for guidance. Never let anyone know how hard you work. Maintain composure and control. Appear relaxed and in command, regardless of workload. Don't gossip. Stop gossip in its tracks. Avoid spreading rumors to maintain a professional and respectful team environment. Don't complain. Focus on solutions rather than problems. Maintain a positive attitude to foster a productive team atmosphere. Only speak sense. Ensure your communication is impactful. Speak with purpose and clarity to contribute effectively to the team. Don't take sides in times of conflict. Stay neutral to avoid becoming part of the conflict. Facilitate resolution instead. Know when to keep your opinions to yourself. Exercise discretion in sharing opinions. Consider the impact on team dynamics. Never lose your temper. Maintain control in challenging situations. Losing temper equates to losing control and effectiveness. And to wrap up your training on a high note, every package includes a fun, Jeopardy-style PowerPoint review game. This competitive activity lets participants answer questions, earn points, and reinforce key concepts in an engaging and memorable way. It's the perfect way to review the content while keeping the energy high.